open Firefox in our Kali Linux. Just go to this website https hyphen slash slash github.com rd1 sql labs. Just click here, download zip file. Just close it after downloading. Open file manager, downloads, control C to copy the file, control C, go to other locations, click on where, here is where file, open www html, paste here, control V, see I'm pasting here. Just open terminal, maximize it, control shift plus, type the command service apache 2 start, just enter. See our server is started here. I'm going to pass to open Metasploit. See here I opened Metasploitable2 in my Kali Linux. Just type msfadmin is my username. Password is also same. Just enter. Just type the command cd hyphen var hyphen www hyphen html, or else leave it is as it is. Just enter www, asking sudo permission password msfadmin. Just to activate sudo yes, again password. Here is my root user. I mean root user. Just type the command we get http hyphen slash slash open Kali Linux ifconfig here is my IP address. Just copy this, control shift C, go to Metasploitable, paste here, control shift V, or else type here 192.168.141.129. 192, 168, 148, 141, 128. Okay. Hyphen sqli hyphen labs hyphen master.zip. then enter. See saved here. Just unzip it. ls to show the files. sqli-labs-master. Just unzip it. Unzip unzip hyphen sqli labs. Enter. See unzipping the files. That's it. Just open Kali Linux. Open Firefox. 198, 192. You have to type the your Kali ifconfig. Enter. Here is the 129 is my 192, 168, 141, 129 is my Metaspolitable IP address. Just type that IP address in our Firefox or any other browser. See, I was typed here. After that, enter. Here is my Metaspolitable2 mission is there. Just again type here hyphen sqli labs hyphen master. Enter. Here is my sqli labs. That's it. You can use it any one you want. Thank you for watching.